This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, December 19th. Stock index futures very close to record highs, trading just steady to a little bit higher today. The seasonal tendency is for December to be an up month for the indices, and that appears to be the case. So I would expect further gains through the balance of this year, probably following through into next year as well. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index a little bit higher as it appears that interest rate differentials may be somewhat supportive to the dollar index, but just slightly. And it also looks like the Fed may be on hold next year, probably no rate cuts. So that would be somewhat of an indication that the dollar will remain fairly stable, maybe working a little bit higher. Interest rate markets probably going to trade in a broadly based sideways range into the close of this year's trading, probably next year as well, since central banks are, I believe, on hold and will probably remain that way through most of next year. However, the opportunities, I believe, lie in the industrial commodities, and it does look like the recent round of rate cuts in a combination from central banks is now finally showing up in a stabilizing global economy, and that should be supportive to the industrial commodities, copper, crude oil, lumber, all of which I think will be supported by a better economy globally. So that's where I would be trading from the long side, those markets, and of course stock index futures also from the long side. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.